a shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monsters running wild inside of me. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. These shallow waters never met what I needed. I'm letting go a deeper dive. Eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Under the
En la sede de Ban Rural, en el salón, ellos muy cordialmente, aparte de patrocinar con las bandas y una refacción de la que ustedes ya degustaron, nos proporcionaron el lugar aquí para realizar este acto. Podrán darse cuenta que ya ustedes ya conocieron a las señoritas, representantes de los municipios, son 13 señoritas, muy guapas ellas, dignas representantes de cada municipio, y iniciando lo que es la actividad de señorita Quiche, que finaliza el día viernes 12 con la elección.